morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I have a few locks here that I just got in. Um, I have a really beautiful little lockwood here. Nice lockwood. I got a RUKO, and I got a ASA. Uh, and it's one half the as the other. So I think the RICO is harder, so I'm going to start with that one. How about that? Before I go on, I have a message to deliver to whoever's listening to this. AJ wanted me to pass on a message to our community that he's going through a little shit right now. He's not ignoring anybody. He's just taking it easy. He might not be answering his emails. So that's the message, and I passed it on. So he's not ignoring you. I don't know what it is. I guess maybe he just needs a break. That's good enough for right now. All right. I'll let you know anything else that changes. And onward and upward. Let's get this in here because I want to go to bed. All right. I think I'm going to use this brand new pick that I just got. This is an awesome looking thing. Very, very beautiful tang. And the only thing that saves me is this little indentation there, because I have a couple of little ones, and I forget who made me them, but it's exactly this. I'm trying to, and it's slipping all in my hand, but with this, it looks perfect. And I'm also going to be picking it uh, downward, I guess, since that's the way I just put it in there. Let me get, what do I need? Have to change up on this. Will that work like that? Sure it will. It'll work. Alright, let's see what this new pick's got for me. It's already a little slippery. Kind of hard to hold on to it. God darn it. It's not as easy as what I thought. Turning in my hand, but it's beautiful. I can't help it. I gotta use it. Click on 1, 2, 3. Great. I'm right now. Review here. How about this? Better? Try to do it like that. 1, 2, 3. I do not have a key for any of those 3 locks. I'm really bummed out. I really want one for the lockwood and the RUKO here, if I'm saying that right. But okay, I got a little moving off the 4. I think there's only 5 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I've been known to be wrong. So that's what's going out there with AJ. I guess everybody feels that like that every once in a while, man. It's very, very hard for me to answer all my emails every day. I answer over 100 emails every day. And then I try to stick in a video at least twice a week. That was a nice one on 2. And thank God I got people like Harry Bell sending me locks and not one package, 2 packages back to back. Nice one on 3, got a little bit of movement. And I'm blocking the camera again. Damn it. 2, 4. How can I do this? I want you guys to see. I had it in a good way before. And now my pick's hitting it. Let me adjust this, guys. This is just not going to work. Maybe. Better. Just by a little bit. Three. Counter rotation on 4. A little bit of movement. 5. Back to the beginning. 1. 2 is binding. Okay, that's 2. 3. A tough little lock. 3. Come on, baby. It's binding. Yeah, I've got to switch picks, sorry. Yeah, there you go. With this one here. Boy, I didn't like the sound of that at all. I'm gonna try the other way. This is slipping. Slip sliding away. Camera. Sorry about that, guys. I gotta put it the other way. This is not doing me any justice. Alright. Man, oh man. That's what I'm looking for. Sorry. Yeah, it feels better. Okay, it was 3, and I got a little bit of movement. 4, binding. That was 4. 5, we got a little bit more movement, got a nice little falset going there. Oop. I wasn't sure if I was going to even do this. I was going to quit. I need more room. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 is binding. Okay, gotta click off of that, and last one. Teeny click, little movement. Back to 1. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, little click, soft click there. 4, nothing there. 5 is binding. Little counter rotation. Gotcha, baby. Gotcha. Woo! I yell, but everybody's sleeping. This is for Stock Lock Sunday. You know, I don't mind opening this up. Let me open it up. For those that didn't watch, please don't put your picks in anyone else's lock unless you have explicit permission. The rest of you guys want to stick around and see what's in here? I want to see. Get this here. So yeah, if anybody asks what's going on with AJ, please just pass the message on. He's taking a siesta or whatever. That doesn't look good. No. That's a broken tip of one of my picks. Did I break a pick? No, now I don't want to do this. I want to go look at my picks. Damn it. Let's see what we got here. If I can open it this way. Man, I hope I didn't break a pick. Fuck. Jesus. That was a nightmare. Get a shim in there if I can. That looks like a part of a rake right there. Can you guys see it? That's a rake or something. I don't think I was using any rakes lately. We'll see. We're definitely going to find out in a little while. Let me see what I got here. Please don't fuck up on me. Don't. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Number 1. Two, I think this is going to be a stock lock. God darn it. 3, 4, or a facsimile thereof. And 5, I'll have to check the key pins when I put it back together. Absolutely no work done on the core. I don't think I took the shim out, but we'll get to that. Okay, number 1. I think they call those barrel pins. That's pretty nice. Shouldn't worry about the springs. Well, maybe I should. One, I can never make a short video. I don't know why, but I'm not sweating it. Another barrel type of pin. Okay, I'm not gonna play games with that spring. Oh, there it is. There it was. I think it's all going to be those these barrel type of pins. Oh, fuck. Should have expected that. Hang on 1 second, guys. Pin overboard. Gotcha. What a day. What a day. And the last pin here. Get a spring. Yeah. Someone will tell me what these are, but they're like a barrel type of pin. All the springs are the same. I'm not going to fight them coming out, or they're out. Sorry. All the same. One more in there somewhere. Anyway, let's cut this off real quick. Don't shut off. I didn't mean the camera. Don't shut off. God, it's hard to do. Camera zoom. Zoom. Alright, this is what we got here on the bottom. All steel pins. 1, 2, 3, looks like it's upside down, sorry. 4, 5, all steel. Those are like barrel pins, yes? No? It's got like a, I don't know, on the top it's got a wide serration, and on the bottom it's got one serration. Second pin has got a serration on the top, and then it's like a barrel, and then another serration. So 3 is the same way, serration on the top, serration on the bottom. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the same way, a little serration on the top, serration on the bottom, and the other one is a wide, like, what do you want to call it? It's not a serration, it's like a spool, and a spool on the bottom, huh? All the springs are the same. I got one stuck in the Bible. All steel springs, really hefty springs. And that's what I got for you. That's all there is. Please don't put your pictures in anyone else's locks unless you got explicit permission, and pass on in the AJ message. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for coming and watch your thumping lockpick. I am gone.